take a minute. I do want to tell you guys that I'm really enjoying the Dakota Digital gauges. I got a little shit. People saying, oh, do you really need them? Well, really quick, I do want to tell you something I like about them is they give you a lot of information on, as far as my heads. My head temperature is 282 degrees. My oil temperature is 184. Over here it tells me the temperature, the air temperature, which is 70, and my voltage, I'm running 14.3. Some good information, always nice to see. Then there's a lot of heads up information down here in the pods. And then of course infotainment center. But these also tell you the tire pressure as well. And you can change just 31 different flavors, colors that you can change in Dakota Digital gauges. So I want to take a minute and say that I am enjoying these. And I do recommend them. I didn't know what I was going to think about them. One thing I do want to tell you guys is on Dakota Digitals, if you're wearing Ray-Bans, say polarized, or any sunglasses that are polarized, it does affect your ability to see those a little bit. They kind of come in and out. Something I just found out here lately on this ride is I'm wearing a raw helmet, and then I've got the clear on that has the gas in between. When I flip this clear down, it makes everything clear again. If I pop my lid, my polarized makes those top pods of the gauges disappear a little bit. Just a little info for you. Peace.